As you can see, I'm on vacation right now, enjoying myself. Had one of the craziest accomplishments for sure. I'm currently floating over 1,000 points on US30. I did like 3,000 or 30,000, something crazy like that. I'm gonna do a full breakdown video on why I took the trade and how I did it, and why I'm still currently floating it. I did call this signal in the private group, so if you guys are not tapped in yet, you need to tap in. We've been live trading a lot during this week.
Damn!
Yes, sir. I'm back once again. Let's get right to it. This is going to be another crazy breakdown video. US30, 20,000 pips, 2,000 points, whatever you want to refer to, close to $40,000 floating, just US30 alone. It's just ridiculous at this point. So enough of that. Let's just get right into the video. All right, so let's start with the 4 hour, and what I'm gonna do is put this in replay mode also. My computer is running a little slow right now, so we just gotta roll with it. All right, cool. I'm not gonna be too long on this video. I'm just gonna get to the main points. US30 came off a bearish run. All right, everyone knows that US30 is an indice, and you cannot swing sell indices. If you want to swing, you had to buy it. All right. Yeah, you could have caught 1,000 points off this sell, but you're not going to take it all the way back to 29,000. All right, you have a better chance of buying it back up and going for 3,000 points on the buy. So, enough of that. Let's get into the reason why I bought it. Market open on Sunday right around this point right here. Let's kind of move this around so you guys can see. Market open around this point, somewhere like right here. Yep, right here. All right, so what did price do? Price just kind of fell. So I already knew that this thing was going to buy back up. It was a liquidity grab for everyone that was trying to buy it from right here at the close. All right, but I was patient. I'm going to get into why I bought it literally right here. But first, let's go to the 4 hour and identify the overall trend on the higher time frame for the fib. Because remember, I'm a zone to zone fib trader. That's how I design my strategy. Okay, so this was the last bottom, and this was the last top. What did price do? It came to take profit perfectly. I mean, literally to the T. All right, so at this point, we don't need this fib anymore. All right, we don't need it, so let's delete it. Now let's go back to the 1 hour. Actually, let's go to the 30-minute. So I'm already looking for a buy already here. Now let's look for other confirmations. RSI, I mean, completely oversold. And what did it start doing? Also, look at that. There's another confirmation right there. For anyone that doesn't know, that is divergence. Cool. 2 confirmations. Let's move that. Got a liquidity grab going down here. Got another one here. And price is starting to lose momentum, showing that it wants to go back up. All right, I'm gonna put this in replay mode so I don't lose my spot. 15-minute. I mean, you can literally see that price is giving up on the sells. So what I did was I bought it back up. I mean, and I called it, when I called this in the signal group too, it was something crazy. I think it was I mean, I don't even know what that is, a 1 to 10. It was something crazy.
That's the wrong number!
I knew this thing was the ultimate buy. Price on top of that, price never gave me a reason to let it go, right? Price never gave me a reason to cut my loss. After this bullish move, after this bullish move, and we broke through this barrier, I already knew that we're in the clear, right? Especially after we break this zone, I know that we are in the clear. At this point, I went to sleep and I put my stop loss at break even. I'll come back in the morning to see what my where the price is currently at. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour just to make this easier. I mean, look at this. I just need to take a second to think about this because this is the craziest fucking trade that I took. 20,000 pips, 2,000 points, close to $40,000 floating. All right, and now you're probably wondering, like, now where do you know where to take profits at, right? Let's keep this in replay mode for a second, and let's go to the 4 hour. And look at that daily. Oh my god, look at that daily.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
No reason to close this trade. No reason at all. All right, so we're on the 4 hour real quick, and this is gonna help me decide where I'm gonna take my profits. My original take profit was going to be this zone, and depending how price acted around this area, if it broke through, I'm gonna take profits up here. All right, so let's go ahead and look. I mean, it's just ridiculous at this point. And this is how I was able to finish my 25K challenge account in one day by the same exact trade. Literally, I did it right here, and then I woke up and did it right there. I'm gonna get into that in another video. I'll leave that link in the description whenever I get to it. All right, so look at that. Price came to a take profit area. I'm doing quotation marks right now. Came to a take profit. Yeah, I could have closed my position and sold it back down, but for this to be valid, it would need to break my red zone, right? So at this point, I wouldn't know where to get out if I was wrong. It would be somewhere right here. Yeah, that's a big drop, but I'm swing trading it. I'm already up big, so why not go for the big fish? All right, so let's go ahead and just move this fib to this fib. This bottom to this top. If price breaks the red zone, then this sell is valid, and I need to get out. All right. Never broke. Still valid. Stop loss was at a great area. This Fibonacci is no longer valid because it broke this top. And price is still on the move. Now on this week, we're having a little correction. But I'm still keeping the same mindset that price is not ready to drop. All right. Yes, I am still holding these trades. It's already been like 20 days. But I know where I'm willing to get out. Alright, so that's where we're currently at. Today is the 10th, July 10th. Where's price? Price is right back at the top where it started. I still had a valid fib. I mean a valid stop loss. Which was right here. I have no reason to close this trade. So now at this point, let's close this fib. And let's go back over here. Last top. Last bottom. You already know where I'm going. At this point, I'm going to close out. Alright, and this is how I'm going to end up making like $45,000 off this US30 buy. I just wanted to go ahead and just do the video now because I've been procrastinating.
Are you sure about that?
Procrastinating. I've been stalling on doing this video for a while now. I just got back from the beach, so you know it's just time to get back to work. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I got Funding Talent Part 2 coming out, how I passed Funding Talent in one day. Got a few videos on the way, so make sure you subscribe to get those notifications for when those videos drop. If you guys are not tapped into the Discord yet, you're missing out. You know, we're live trading in there. We're dropping a lot of gems. But the private group is really where it's at if you're trying to get to the next level. So if you got any questions on that, go ahead and feel free to message me on Instagram, Discord, Twitch, not Twitch. Twitch, not Twitch. Telegram. This latest shit. I'm just gonna go. Catch y'all in the next one.